What's up, Harmony Hoarders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Hope you have a good day. My friends, in this video, I'm present with the latest update of Harmony. What's the current price of Harmony? What's the price change in Harmony? And the people asking questions about Harmony One coin, that when will the price of Harmony going to move upward? When will they take up, my friends? So in this video, I will show you, my friends. Keep watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Harmony in the market is 0.082483 USD dollar. Is the currently latest price of the Harmony One in the market. My friends, on the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Harmony, so the last 1 hour price change is negative, and only the yesterday pricing is positive, but now the current situation is again going wrong. As I show you, my friends, already that at this time the last 1 hour pricing is negative. So that's clear, my friends, that the price of Harmony is going fast down, my friends. That is the last 1 month price chart of the Harmony coin, my friends. So my friends, from this chart, that's clear for everyone that the price of Harmony is completely going down. Completely, my friends, fast down occurring in Harmony One coin, and the price change of the last 1 month is negative 35.12%. The price changes of the Harmony. So that's clear, my friends, that the Harmony is going down, and I think that it's not a good time to buy a Harmony One coin. But my friends, now the question is that when will the price of the Harmony increase, my friends? So at this time, my friends, they are in the falling mood. So my personal prediction about Harmony One is that maybe, my friends, maybe they take a pump tomorrow, but my prediction tells us that tomorrow and next day the price of Harmony is fast down, because it is the continuously falls. So I think that they would continue this fast for 1 day or 2 days, my friends, and after 2 days my prediction is going positive about Harmony One coin. After 2 days, my friends, after 2 days, there is a lot of chance that the price will pump and you will get a profit from the Harmony One coin, my friends. So wait for it, my friends. For instance, if you decide to sell Harmony One coin on this price, so the price change after last 1 month is negative, this means that you are in the loss. So if you sell, so you are in the loss, and I recommend for everyone to don't do this mistake and don't decide to sell, my friends. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.